Hello again everybody, welcome back. So this time we have a Viro Euro cylinder. Never come across one of these before, picked their padlocks, but never a Euro cylinder. So let's get this moved a bit. Adjust my light. So there's the bitting on the key. That's a little bit of up and down. Lock all works nicely. So, all locked up. So let's give this a go. And then we can have a look inside. So we'll start at the front. So 1 loose, 2 loose, 3 is binding. Right, we've got to click on 3, 4, click on 4. We had a little bit of counter rotation there as well. 5. Just struggling to get underneath it. There we go. Click on 5, and we've got slight false set, so we start at the front again. Right, just a tiny little click on 1 there, but it is now binding and getting some counter rotation. There we go. 2 similar, and counter rotation, and there we go. There's definitely some spools in there, but it wasn't a particularly difficult pick. So let's get that vice out of the way. Adjust the camera. And let's have a look, see how we're going to get into this. Right, we are there. So let's turn that away. The clip's just turning, let's try. See if those will fit in. A little bit on the tight side, but they seem to be working. Oh, sorry. Right, will that come out now? Come on. Try and get that. There we go. That's out. We stick the pinning shoe in. Grab the pick. And there we go. So let's have a look, see what we got here. Can't see anything special with the core at all. Right, standard, 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 and standard. So that's all those. Just getting the right way around. And try something different. I keep on forgetting I've got this sent to me by Foxy from Red Cat Imaging. Oh, hang on, we've got some other stuff in here now. What's that sticking out? I think let's get a bit of light on the subject. Can we see in there? It looks like we've got trap pins. No, it's not. Oh, hang on. They're not pins, that looks to me. There we go. It's the actuator off the back of the... At least that's what it must be. Right, let's see if we can get this in there now. There we go. And then if we turn it that away, and tweezers, there's number one, which is a spool. The spring come out. There we go. Number two is another spool. Get the springs out, don't want to get them caught up. And we have another spool. That spring doesn't want to come out. 4 is another spool. Is that spring going to come out? No, maybe in a minute. And 5. Another spool. So there's the rest of the springs. Still one in there. As it popped out and I missed it. Oh, there's still one in there. It doesn't want to come out, we'll sort that out later. So anyway, there we go. So should have actually been harder to pick than it was looking at that. Here's the pins. So all standards on the bottom, all spools on the top. And that was it. So that is the Viro 5-pin Euro cylinder. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.